Hello StJudeRnrs, it's time for another review. This time we're reviewing the Noxgear Tracer360 running vest. Join me after this. Alright, thanks for joining me. I got up extra early this morning to get this review in. I wanted to do an unboxing before my run and then go run it and try this out and see how it works and then let you know right afterwards. So I'm going to put these all in one video so that you can check it out. What I have here is the Noxgear Tracer360 vest. It's a visibility vest with reflective trim, and it has built-in LEDs that give it a lot of illumination. So some of the stuff that they have written on the back here, I'm going to read off to you so that you can know. Specifications: it has 360 illumination. There are 40 lumens from 2 Cree LEDs that are piped around the entire body with flexible fiber optics, making you visible from over a quarter mile in any direction. It has 3M Scotch-Light reflectivity and fluorescence. You can pick multiple color flashing on this vest. It also has solid colors, and the batteries last up to 40 hours. It weighs only 7 ounces, so it's pretty light, and it is weather resistant and rain proof. So I picked up this in the extra large size. They have sales quite often, and I picked this up for $40 all said and done. Their prices range, I think they get up into the 60s, but most of the time you can find a good sale on them. They have a heavy social media presence as well. So I appreciate them letting me try this. I did pay for this. This is not a sponsored review, as are all of my reviews. I paid for the item, that way I can give you my 100% honest opinion. So that's the front. There's the back with all the information that I just read to you. Let's get this unboxed so I can get out there and run. So opening it up, it's just a box with their description on it here. Nothing around the rest of the outside. So we'll pop that open. And here on the inside, it has the adjustment instructions here on the cover. It does have a buckle. It's marked left side so that you know which side goes on the correct side. As you use it, it pulses green twice when you turn it on for good batteries. It pulses yellow twice for low battery, and then it blinks steady red to replace it. This item can be hand washed. That's what they actually recommend, but don't get any parts of the plastic in the water so that you don't ruin it. And then there is the actual vest. It fits in this nice little area here. There's this little yellow piece of paper. Says that if you capture an epic picture or video of your new Noxgear, you post it with hashtag Noxgear. We'll choose our favorite post for 100% order credit. We'll see if that works with this video. But until then, we'll review it. So I took out the Noxgear vest here, and then there's nothing else. So let's dig into this and see what it is. Alright, so it has this nice Scotch-Light, Scotch-Brite, Scotch-Light material here that gives a nice reflective. It's nice and bright, fluorescent colors. It does have these little hoses that go around the outside. These look to be solid plastic. And they run from this back panel that goes in the middle of your back. This goes around your waist, and then these go over your shoulder and around your waist area, hip area. I'll have to try out and see. So opening the battery container, there's a little battery thing here. Pull the plastic off of there. That way it'll run. So I will eventually replace this with some better batteries. These just come with PK cell, 3 AAA batteries. Nice little compartment. The plastic is a nice plastic. It's not super cheap. It does have this, I imagine this might be reflective material around the outside here. I'm going to guess. I'll have to test it and see. It does look like it would be reflective. And then it has this breathable mesh backing on it. much like mini backpacks. My hydration packs have these on the back of them, and that way it breathes, and it's a little padded too. It is has pretty simple. I mean, the only thing I can see on this is this little power button. It's marked with the power on it. So let's kick this on. Let me see if I can get more of this in the screen. Ready? Yeah, I'd say that's pretty bright. So it's all different colors you can pick. This one, pulsing color. I'm sure this is going to get lots of attention. So as you know, and I think you just press and hold in on the button and it turns off. So as you know from past reviews, I use this while I'm out running in the morning to give me illumination. This is the Petzl headlamp. I use this a lot. This one's getting pretty dirty and dusty. It's a Tika RXP Plus headlamp. You can check out the other review on this. This one has the motion or the light sensitive changing. So if you plug the sensor on it or you get light coming back, it'll turn off and on depending on that light. So I use this a lot. I'm going to use this in conjunction with this, and that way I can see where I'm going and then other people can see me as well. So I'm going to put all this gear on and get out there and try this out. Let's see, it goes that way. And this might take me just a little bit to get situated. So while I do that and go out and run, I will let you know how it turns out. Thanks. Alright, this is what it looks like. Okay, so mid-run review so far. This is pretty bright, as you can see. It's a dark morning still, and get the full effect. If I turn on my headlamp, I can see where I'm going with my headlamp, and then people can see me. You can also see this reflective trim here with my headlamp reflecting on it. So it does get a lot of light, and I'm going to finish up this run and review it back at the table. See you in a little bit. Alright, I just got back from my run and finished running with the Noxgear Tracer360 vest. It was very light, very lit, as you can see in the previous little video during my run. And I like it a lot. I will continue to use this. We'll have to do a little bit of adjustment. So some of the parts of this, if you look, this has a buckle system that's in that webbing. It has their branding here on this side, and then it says left side. Obviously that goes on your left side, and then this clips in just like that. It's a very secure system. It has these little sliders that allow you to adjust the top part that actually goes over your shoulder to make it pretty tight. The bottom part is kind of loose and sits at your hip. So this is the size extra large. I highly recommend this if you do a lot of night running, night cycling. I'm going to try this on some bike rides that I've got coming up to see how it works in that as well. But I would recommend this. It is a great way to get some visibility out on the road and have some people notice you so that they don't hit you with their car or run over you with their bicycle. So go out, get some. I believe they have their sale is still going right now. So this is filmed in September of 2019. So check around. They do have sales come up all the time, especially Black Friday, Christmas time frame. They do have a lot of those. So check it out. Pick up one of your own. You can go to their website. I'll put that information in the link below. Check out some of my other reviews for my headlamp that I showed you earlier that I run with, as well as my visors. I've got some new running shorts that I'll be reviewing here coming up, and I appreciate you joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this review and find it useful. Go out and get your miles.